Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your Tinder profile or Tinder account. Okay, so basically if you want to delete your account, the delete process is very easy. Okay, but before deleting your account you need to keep something in your mind that is very important. This is the thing, like before deleting your Tinder account, remember doing this task is permanent and you will erase and they will erase your all data which is associated with your profile. This means your photos, messages, matches, likes and other information will be lost forever. So before deleting your account, if you need your account details, if you need your photos, if you need your any kind of information for further, you can like for further uses, then you can save your data, you can back up your data and then you can process your deleting account. Okay, so for deleting your account, first of all you need to open Tinder app and you need to tap on setting icon, and once you tap on setting icon, in the bottom side you need to tap on profile and then you need to select settings, and then you can see there is a button like delete account at very bottom side, and they will ask you, you can also choose this option like pause my account. This will pause your account. If you need a temporary break from Tinder, then you can pause your account. If you want permanently delete, then you can select delete my account. Okay, and you can follow the prompts and you can delete your account or you can pause your account very easily. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can also make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And this is the tutorial, this is the video how you can delete your Tinder account. Okay, now if you have any other questions, please make a comment. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.